Elijah. What? I said? No. You want to talk about it? Yeah. Okay. Hi, my name is Lonnie. Elijah. And we're going to make tacos. Make tacos. Yay, let's start. It's time. Then you put the avocado. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. And then you put the lettuce. Spread it. Now we put the cheese. Put cheese. Da-da-da-da. Now we put the chicken. Put chicken. Ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba. Now we put the onion. Now we put the cilantro. Now we're finished. We're finished. Put it together. Cheers. And then you drink horchata. Chica. That's another day. And then I pronto. I'm gonna make one for you and mommy.